Welcome to Gadget Solution.
192.168.1.254 192.168.1.254 is the default IP address of Telmex, BT, PlusNet, AT&T to change Wi-Fi password, SSID, and other router settings at http://192.168.1.254. Open your computer or laptop. Type in 192.168.1.254 and hit enter on your keyboard. A login screen will appear, prompting you to input the admin login and password combination. You will be logged in to the admin settings. Troubleshooting. If you are unable to log in the admin panel through 192.168.1.254, try using another IP address such as 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Make sure you are typing the IP address correctly. Typing 192.168.L.254 is a common mistake because an IP address always consists of numerical digits, not alphabets. If you don't know the default login username and admin password for Hub Manager, then you can check the back of your router/modem or in the manual guide. If you had changed the password and have lost it, then you can reset it by performing a factory reset on the router. To perform a factory reset, press and hold the small reset button at the back of the router with a needle or toothpick for 10 to 15 seconds. The router will reboot and everything will reset to default settings. Thanks for watching.